Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure university credits with study abroad detailed guide step by step. Research your university's study abroad program. Identify specific courses that are applicable abroad. Check the eligibility requirements for participating in the program. Consult with an academic advisor about credit transfer policies. Gather information on partner universities and their course offerings. Make a list of potential courses that align with your degree plan. Review course syllabi from partner universities for content and equivalency. Speak with your department heads about the approval of courses. Submit an application for your desired study abroad program. Wait for acceptance and respond promptly to secure your place. Prepare for pre-departure orientations and advisory sessions. Plan your accommodation and living arrangements while abroad. Once on location, attend classes and engage with faculty. Keep copies of your coursework and syllabi throughout the term. Maintain communication with your home university's academic advisor. After completing the courses, request official transcripts from the host university. Submit transcripts and any additional documentation to your home institution. Follow up with your academic advisor to confirm the transfer of credits. Reflect on your experience and how it has impacted your learning. Stay connected with peers and faculty from your study abroad experience. Utilize your newly gained knowledge and skills in your academic journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.